Okay guys, we are almost done with expenses claim form. We have seen all the tables and have populated them very well. Now the only thing remaining in this is the only remaining yellow area is signed and date. So signed is something that you can extract from timesheet over here, and what I want you to do is I want you to do this date by yourself. I won't say today is um, suppose today is Wednesday 1st July 2020. So what I want you to do is have this format in this cell, and in the date entry ask the user somewhere in some cell over at the top, not week ending but somewhere here, ask the user for the date and make its format to this, that is ddd dash space d space mm space sorry mmm space yyyy. Make it like this, and in this format fill this cell. So when you are done with this, it will be a good practice for you.